However good my song may be, or whoever sings it or learns it, she for whom I make my songs doesn't show any sign of keeping me.
For if it pleased her, and if it were sweet to her, never from loving desire would she let me die like this.
For because of her, love kills me with longing, and hers will be the damage
If I die and my song remains. A 1,000 years, nothing that would be good for her would ever be a burden to me.
For if she kills me, she wars against herself, since everything she commands I do, and I serve her, and I never want to give up loving her, whatever damage comes to me. For I know it's not wise to make two damages from one.
Her beautiful loving eyes, and her body that won't love me back, and her charming manners.
She from whom pure joy should come is false to me and full of torment, but I never dare to tell her,
even when I gaze at her most.
And our love becomes unbalanced towards me, and doubles my songs,
and the joy, and the great longing.
Tricks, and my heart won't give up on her, nor will I ever change, as long as I love her and my heart stays
always praising her pure words.
Since I can't part from her,
nor from loving, nor from speaking well.
For mercy,
I beg her
to remember,
if it pleases her, that with her my hope
not be the hope of the Brectons. Oh, that's good, baby.